Hello everyone, my name is Zoe Dominguez. For my science presentation, I will be discussing about care and protection about endangered plants. Protecting endangered plants. Caring for nature, protecting our future. There are more than 390,000 plant species in the world, and scientists say that around one-third of them are endangered. Plant is a plant that has very few members left. If we don't protect them, they might become extinct forever. Why do plants become endangered? Here are the 5 main man-made causes. Habitat loss. This is deforestation. Forests are cut down to make farms, houses, and roads. Second, invasive species. These are foreign plants that take water, sunlight, and nutrients away from our native plants. Third, pollution. Air, water, and plant pollution damage the leaves and destroy the soil where plants grow. Fourth, overharvesting. People collect too many wild plants to sell and they don't grow back fast enough. And fifth, climate change. Droughts, wildfires, and super typhoons destroy plants' habitats. In the Philippines, we also have plants that are in danger. The Sanderiana or waling-wali. It is a rare orchid originally found in Davao, Cotabato, and Zamboanga. It is sometimes called the Queen of Philippine Flowers. Nepenthes ventricosa. It is a carnivorous plant found in the island of Luzon, Panay, and Sibuyan. It is a pitcher plant that eats insects. Alocasia sanderiana or trees plants, also known as elephant ear or African mask plants. It has a large V-shaped leaves that look like a Filipino dagger. Ficus curani, also known as Curans pitogo. This is from Palawan and Mindoro. The good news is we can still help and protect our endangered plants. What are the things we can do? 1. Learn. Study and teach others about endangered plants in our area. 2. Volunteer. Join tree planting and community cleanup drives. 3. Avoid. Don't buy endangered plants from illegal sellers. 4. Reduce. Practice reduce, reuse, recycle to lessen pollution. 3. Speak up. Tell your friends and family. Encourage them to appreciate the beauty of nature. Remember, small actions can make a big difference. The plants give us food, clean air, and healthy environment. Let's care and protect endangered plants today for a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye!